Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get out of the Katseye quest maze and Dress to Impress. So from here, you're just going to go straight, then you're going to want to turn right here, then you're going to want to turn another right over here, then turn left, left again, right, straight, and then turn left here, left, then turn right and straight, left, turn left again here, and then you're going to want to turn right until you see that fence, right, left, and then right, straight, go to the right here, and right again, straight, left, then left, and then right, right, and then straight ahead here, you're going to want to turn left, then turn right, and then you're going to turn right in this corner, turn left here, and then left again immediately, and turn right, left here, and turn left again. You're almost out, turn right, walk straight, and then turn left, and then you're going to want to turn right. This is for people who didn't have the arrows when they were trying to get out of the maze. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!